Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 12 CBSE Maths Relations and Function exercise 1.1. In that first sum, fifth Roman letter B sum we are going to see in this video. Let's see the question. Determine whether each of the following relations are reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So we want to prove whether it is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. Here in the fifth subdivision they have given that relation R in the set A of human beings in a particular time given by. So here the set A is nothing but human beings at a particular time on the same place. Now R is equal to the relation here given by x comma y, where x and y live in the same locality. So they both live in the same place. Let us start with reflexive. Reflexive, we are going to take the same variable, that is the same person, x comma x. We can write that x and x lives in same locality because it is the same person. So the same person will, if they stay in one place, they are staying in the same place itself. So x and x lives in the same locality. We can write this as x comma x belongs to R because this satisfies the condition. So we can write this x comma x's relation to belongs to R. Therefore R is reflexive. Now we'll move on to symmetric. For symmetric we can say that let x comma y belongs to R. That means we know that x comma y lives in the same locality. And we also know that if x comma y lives in the same locality, y and x, the same person, lives in the same locality. If your friend lives in the same place, that means your friend and you also lives in the same place. I'm just changing the word, not the person. So they live in the same locality. We can write this to be y comma x belongs to R because this satisfies the given condition that y comma x lives in the same locality. So y comma x belongs to R. This means R is symmetric. Now we'll move on to transitive. For transitive, let x comma y belongs to R, same way y comma z belongs to R. This tells you that x and y lives in the same locality, same way y and z lives in the same locality. That means all the three lives in the same locality because here y is same. So where x lives, y lives where x lives, z lives where y lives. So all the three lives in the same locality. Therefore, we can say that x and z lives in the same locality because we want to satisfy the given condition of transitive. We know that transitive, this implies that x comma z belongs to R because this satisfies the relation condition that they lives in the same locality. Therefore we can say that R is transitive. Now the relation satisfy all the three conditions. We can also say this to be a equivalence relation because it is reflexive, symmetric and also transitive. So that's all with the sum. Thank you.